Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix Facebook Messenger switch account problem, you've come to the right place. So to do it is quite easily. So if you have a problem and you can't switch your accounts, to solve this problem is really easy. As you can see, I already solved my problem. So to do it, you need to go to your settings, and here you need to find your messenger. So you just open your settings. Here you need to find the apps, and once you've done that, you just simply need to find messenger. If messenger not appear here, you just simply need to click on see all others apps and find it. Once you find your messenger, you need to open storage and cache. And here you need to just clear your storage. Once you've done that, your problem will be solved. So that is how easy it is to solve your problem. And also, of course, you need to make sure that if you open Messenger in apps, you need to make sure that it says open and not upload. If it says update or upload, you just simply need to update your Messenger and the problem already will be fixed. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.